Lee and welcome back to another video. It's the weekend. I feel like I grill something from my cold stove. But not tell no lie. If you want to see what me talk about, stay tuned. Starting off with the marinade, we want to put some sweet pepper in it. Cut it up nice, take a blend anyway. Little onion, some garlic. You know, scotch it off in it. Scallion, thyme. So I'm gonna just crush two pimento, not two, but you know, some pimento, put in it too. And of course, I'm gonna add ting for my liquid. Like a jerk seasoning, Maggi chicken, Maggi all-purpose. And we'll just blend that. Clean the chicken, you know, remove the fat, take out the yogo them. You know, just scrape it if it's in a feather. Anything will look like it's not right on the chicken, alright? We'll just get rid of that. For best results, you know, you leave this overnight, but we don't have time for that, so we just make it stay like 3 hours or so, and we'll go and do the other prep. One thing with cabbage though, if you fall like your strip till nothing left. Ah boy. So with the chicken and the cabbage, we're going to do some seasoned potato bites. So to season the potatoes, we're going to use some jerk season, some Maggi chicken, some Maggi fish, all-purpose if you have it, or any season you want to use. The leftover marinade now, we're going to add some ketchup to it and use it for dress with chicken. And make it nice and pretty. Ladies and gentlemen, let's just take a moment to acknowledge how beautiful my chicken looks. Chicken nice, see? Juicy, see? No, sir. Please do remember to subscribe, share, like, leave a comment now. Tell me what you think. Until next time, walk good.